I'd like to give you an example. Suppose a very close friend of yours, who's a German, he comes from Germany and he spends a couple of weeks with you in Bombay. He being a German, he can't speak English fluently, but he can converse with you. He spends a couple of weeks in Bombay, and when he goes back to Germany, he writes to you a letter in German. Now, when you get that letter in German, you don't understand German. What will you do? You will have that letter translated. You'll want to know, what did your good friend tell you from Germany? You will have that letter translated. Don't you want to know what is the message, the last and final message given by a Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? You don't have to go and translate the Quran. The Quran, alhamdulillah, has already been translated in the major languages of the world.